Good morning, everyone! This is your teacher, Sam, and welcome to our virtual class. Watch closely and listen carefully to our lesson for today. Are you ready? Let's go! Unit 2, Addition. Addition with two numbers, some less than 10, and adding 0. First, let's talk about adding two numbers with a sum less than 10. Let's learn the basics of addition. What is addition? Addition is the process of adding two or more numbers together. This is the sign used for addition. This is called plus. Say the word plus. Plus. Now look at the numbers here. We have 3 and 2 equals 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 3 is called the oddend and 2 is called the addend. And 5, the answer, is called the sum. Word problem. Poppy has 2 flowers. Her friend gives her 1 flower. How many flowers does she have now? There are 2 methods in how to get the answer. Method number 1. We are going to count the flowers. 1, 2, 3. We can count 3 flowers. Poppy has 3 flowers. Method number 2. Count on from a number. For example, we can count on from 2 by 1. For example, 2, 3. Or count on from 1 by 2. Example, 1, 2, 3. Poppy has 3 flowers. Always remember, when we count the number of objects or people in 2 or more groups altogether, we add the numbers of the groups. The number we count is called the sum. Say the word sum. One more time, sum. Sum is the answer of the addition. We can use numerals and symbols to represent the calculation. This is called number sentence. Say the word number sentence. For example, Poppy has 2 flowers. Her friend gives her 1 flower. How many flowers does she have now? This is how the number sentence looks like. 2 plus 1 is equal to or equals 3. In words, you can read this as 2 plus 1 equals 3. 2 flowers and 1 more flower are 3 flowers. Again, this is how you write the number sentence. Number 2 plus sign, 1 equal sign, and 3. And you read this as 2 plus 1 equals 3. We can also perform a column addition. 2 plus 1 is equal to, for example, 2 on top plus 1 equals 3. 2 is the oddend and 1 is the addend. 3 is the sum. One more example. There are 3 boys and 4 girls. How many students are there altogether? Method 1. Count boys and girls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We can count 7 students. There are 7 students altogether. Method number 2. Count on from a number. So we will start counting from 3 by 4. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or we can also count on from 4 by 3. Let's start from 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 students altogether. Let's try to do it in a number sentence. For example, there are 3 boys and 4 girls. How many students are there altogether? Again, this is how you make a number sentence. 3 plus 4 equals 7. In words, 3 plus 4 equals 7. 3 boys and 4 girls are 7 students. 3 is the oddend, 4 is the addend, and 7 is the sum. Let's perform a column addition. 3 plus 4 equals blank. 3 boys plus 4 girls is equal to 7. Let's practice. Now for our next lesson, this is about adding 0. Example, there is a fried fish on the first plate, and there is no fried fish on the second plate. Number sentence, it is written as 1 plus 0 equals. Now, we are going to count the fried fish on the 2 plates. There is 1 fried fish on the plates. 1 plus 0 equals 1. Always remember, any number that is added by 0 is equal to that same number. For example, 1 plus 0 equals 1. Next example, there is no muffin in the first box, and there are 3 muffins in the second box. We write this in number sentence as 0 plus 3 equals, and let's count the muffins in the 2 boxes. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 muffins in the 2 boxes. 0 plus 3 equals 3. Take note that 0 added by any number is equal to the same number. For example, 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. Let's practice. Now that we have learned adding 2 numbers with a sum less than 10, also how to add using 0, we are going to answer our activity book. Please open your book on page number 57, 58, 59, 60, and 61. Page 57. Number 1. Write each answer in the box. Number 1. 3 frogs and 2 more frogs are blank frogs. How many frogs are there? Number 2. 2 birds and 4 more birds are blank birds. How many birds are there? Please count. Number 3. 1 monkey and 5 more monkeys are blank monkeys. Please write your answer. Page 58 and 59. Number 2. Write the number sentence and solve the answer. For example, number 1. We have here 6 chairs and 1 more chair. How many chairs are there? So please write the number sentence. Example, 6 plus 1 equals blank. The answer is 6 plus 1 is equals 7. Please. Page 60, number 3. Solve for each sum. For example, number 1, 2 plus 4 is equal to or equals. Yes, please solve each sum. The answer is 6. Page 61. Find each sum using adding 0. Number 1. We have here 3 glasses, and on the other side there is no glass. In number sentence, it is written as 3 plus 0 equals, what's the answer? Yes, you're right, 3. Now please do the rest. And that's all for today's lesson. I hope you had a great time learning with me today, and see you again to our next class. Goodbye!